This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Alcira Salazar. Admirals Walk annual rental. Offers an open floor plan with 2 bedrooms, 2 bath and walk-in closets. The community amenities include gated access, heated pool and jacuzzi, fitness center, billiard room, conference room west/internet access and small library, playground, grills, and picnic areas. Minutes to / from I-75, shopping, dining and just a short drive to Siesta Key Beach. Rent includes outside pest control, water/sewer and trash pickup. Available May 1, 2021. For more information, review the details below or contact Alcira Salazar at 941-284-7645.